Yeah, yeah. I know.
Their intentions there.
What do we do this guys? Because I need like.
That's the gym I came from like years and years and years ago before I was like. Fuck.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But it'll crack a little bit.
Could you imagine what gym inside of a giant city like that, man?
Hell yeah, come on.
Did you hit this? So sad.
No, I'll hit it.
Paul's gonna hit it. I've been seeing Paul at the gym for a while. Either I'm working or I'm just fucking around and climb, train. Come on. Yeah.
I've like snuck off the snug and been like, should I ask that dude? I knew I should have, but I wasn't sure.
Come on, higher hook.
Come on.
Higher hook.
Come on.
Higher heel hook. Come on. Come on, Mario. He's got your spot.
Come on.
Yep.
Come on.
Come on. You're already out of the pool. Your dick is on it. You fucked it. You got that shit pregnant.